Hey, how's everybody doing? This is JJ with Deluxe Vehicle Detailing and Paint Correction. This is part 2 of of what I'm calling a door ding scratch on this beautiful 2013 Porsche 911 Carrera. This car, as beautiful as it is, had a little problem. It's very bright out here, so forgive me. I'm going to put my finger right under the scratch that I emphasized earlier, which is no longer there. There was also a scratch going up right along here, and this you can probably see still has a dent. That's why I'm calling it a door ding, because it dinged right into it. However, the shot of my shadow come from the other side here. Again, this is where a very colossal scratch was, and up in here. So I was able to remove everything. I went through a process of using some soft foam pads. First, of course, I cleaned this with ONR. I did use synthetic clay. I used real clay. I decontaminated. I made sure everything was very clean. I used some very soft microfiber and soft foam pads. I used Sonax Perfect Finish, and I was starting to remove some of the scratch. I decided to go ahead and get out my Rupes Millet forced rotation dual action polisher. It has an 8mm throw, and with the Sonax Perfect Finish on an orange force cutting pad, I was able to remove the scratch completely. I then put a white CCV Lake Country pad with the Sonax Perfect Finish, and I was able to beautify and just enhance the paint where I had to, hey, when you use clay, you are suspect to micro marring, things like that. So I just wanted to make sure everything was all polished out around the area and it looked as beautiful as possible. The car came out great. I then did a full detail on the vehicle, and everything is a-okay. So thanks for being with me. Give me a thumbs up, like, share, and if you have any questions or comments about scratch removal or dings in panels and how to remove them, please leave some comments below and I'll be happy to help you. Again, I want to thank you for being part of my channel. Enjoy making your vehicles beautiful, and until next time, take care. We'll see you.